Hey everyone, in this guide I'm going to show you how you can beat Arena 8 in Clash Royale using a Hog Musketeer Rocket Cycle deck. Let's get started. So now let's break down the deck. This deck runs Hog Rider, Ice Golem, Musketeer, Skeletons, Ice Spirit, Cannon, Rocket, and Zap. Hog Rider is your main win condition. He chips the tower fast and consistently, while the Ice Golem is your cheap tank for kiting troops or supporting the Hog pushes, while the Musketeer gives you a strong long-range defense from the both air and ground. The skeletons and the ice spirit keep your cycle fast and help you with the light defense. Cannon shuts down the tanks like Hog, Giant, and even the strong pushes. While the rocket is your finisher, use it to shut down big pushes or cycle tower damage when needed. The zap clears the swarms and reset the inferno units. This is the cycle control deck, so your goal is to pressure constantly, push the hog plus ice golem while defending. You can use musketeer and cannon to stop the enemy push, then counter push again with the hog. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.